More than 1 million people have been urged to seek shelter as torrential rain triggered floods and landslides in western Japan, leaving at least 1 dead and 2 missing. Authorities in Hiroshima and the northern part of Kyushu issued their highest evacuation alert as the weather agency reported unprecedented levels of rain in the area on Saturday. Under the non-compulsory alert, about 1.4 million residents have been asked to leave their homes immediately, public broadcaster NHK reported. Footage showed rescuers towing residents through submerged streets on a lifeboat in the city of Kurume in Fukuoka, while a muddy stream began to overflow in neighboring Saga Prefecture. A 59-year-old woman died, and 2 of her family members were missing after a landslide destroyed 2 houses in Unzen, Nagasaki Prefecture, a local official said. Downpours are forecast for several more days over a large swathe of the country. Scientists say the climate crisis is intensifying the risk of heavy rain in Japan and elsewhere because a warmer atmosphere holds more water. Downpours last month caused a devastating landslide in the central resort town of Atami that killed 23 people, with 4 still missing. In 2018, more than 200 people died as floods inundated western Japan during the country's annual rainy season.